Hello and welcome once again to another short video looking at the Year 12 trigonometry course. Today we're going to look at something which you think you already know, but we're going to come at from a little bit of a different perspective. We're going to look at the area of a triangle. So before we get to that, let's just introduce some very important notation here. We have a triangle ABC. Now what I'd like you to notice is that we've named the angles capital A, capital B and capital C, and we've named the sides using small letters. Now this isn't done randomly, this is a standard convention, and basically if the angle is called capital A, then the side opposite is called small a. Equally, if the angle is called capital B, then the side opposite is called small b. And finally, beg your pardon, and if the angle is capital C, then the side opposite is small c. Okay, so that's an important thing to remember, and it's very important we get that right. If during the process of this topic we get these things mixed up, or we start to name sides and angles randomly, then all our theories and our equations completely fall apart and become completely useless. So let's bear that in mind. Now, area of a triangle. From trigonometry, we know that the sine of the angle C is the opposite over the hypotenuse. So if you take this angle, just look at this right angled triangle here. Now the sine of C is that over that, h over a. The sine of C is h over a. So the length of h, the height, by rearranging the equation, h equals a times the sine of C. Let's lock that away and put it in memory, and we'll come back to that later, okay? The height of the triangle is a sine C. Well, that's fine. So we know that the height equals a sine C. But we're talking about the area of the triangle. We know that the area of a triangle, we've known this for some time, is half the base times the height. Well, half the base is a half, and the base in this instance is conveniently called b, and the height is h, which is kind of useful because you know what h is. H equals a sine c. So, by a simple bit of rearranging the half, a sine c, I'm going to just drop that a in front of the b, so we'll rewrite it as a half ab sine c, and that is our new formula for the area of a triangle. And what we need to be aware of is, to use it, we need to know a side here, and the angle in between them. Two sides and the angle in between, and we can use this formula for the area of a triangle.